Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of a plus b, where a plus ab plus b is equal to 18 and a and b are integer. Now we have given a plus ab plus b is equal to 18, or rearranging left side we can write ab plus a plus b is equal to 18, or taking common a from first two terms we can write a times b plus 1 plus this b, and adding 1 to both sides we can write 1 is equal to 18 plus 1. This 2 1 will cancel out from both sides, or a times b plus 1 plus, taking common 1 from these two terms we can write 1 times b plus 1 is equal to 18 plus 1 is 19, or taking common b plus 1 we can write b plus 1 times this a plus this 1 is equal to 19, or rearranging it we can write a plus 1 times this b plus 1 is equal to 19 can be written as 1 times 19, or negative 1 times negative 19 for integer solution. Now comparing both sides we can write a plus 1 is equal to 1 and b plus 1 is equal to 19. So a plus 1 is equal to 1 and b plus 1 is equal to 19, or a plus 1 is equal to 19 and b plus 1 is equal to 1. So a plus 1 is equal to 19 and b plus 1 is equal to 1, and for this case we can write a plus 1 is equal to negative 1 and b plus 1 is equal to negative 19, and a plus 1 is equal to negative 19. So a plus 1 is equal to negative 19 and b plus 1 is equal to negative 1. Now adding these two equations for these two cases we can write a plus 1 plus b plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 19 for these two cases, or a plus b plus 1 plus 1 is 2 is equal to 1 plus 19 is 20, or taking this 2 to right side we will have a plus b is equal to 20 minus 2. So the value of a plus b is equal to 18 for these two cases, and for these two cases again, adding these two equations we can write a plus 1 plus b plus 1 is equal to negative 1 plus negative 19, or a plus b plus 1 plus 1 is 2 is equal to this negative 1 plus times negative 19 is negative 19, or a plus b plus this 2 is equal to negative 1 minus 19 is negative 20, or taking this 2 to right side we can write a plus b is equal to negative 20 minus 2. So the value of a plus b is equal to negative 22. Now the value of a plus b is equal to 18 or negative 22. So these are the two value of a plus b. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.